Top of the house, 90. Solids, stripes, 2 shots, 1 on the black. Double top and a pint of shandy. Hold the lemonade, for I am no longer a boy. 15, my schooling done, I gaze into a fiery furnace, and for my trouble I take home the envelope, filled with green pound notes, brown fives, 7-sided snipe and florins, that feed machines for fags and songs, and jackpots as elusive as a tit on a bull. Dancehall days, discos and DJs, exotically named. Welcome to the Vince Cooney Roadshow, where you sit on the sidelines and wait until the fighting starts. For it's easier to punch some gobshite on the mouth than it is to muster the courage to talk to the girls who dance around handbags and scan the room desperately, hoping against hope there's a sober one somewhere. First in the art of love and not war. Blackthorn brogue, sturdy and slimy with dubbin, heels metal tipped, clack, 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 on a path well worn from Main Street to Market Square, over and over and over. Ubiquitous cigarette hangs on lip, graduated from sock with single match and piece of box to breast pocket of the Wrangler. Nothing but the best. Nothing but the best for short nights after long days at the foundry, where lives are forged and dreams tethered, where skin becomes immune to spark and flame. In a shirt from E&M stores, a collar long and rounded like wings. And if you had wings, you'd rise up and leave this place. And if you had wings, you'd rise up and leave this place. Or that's what you thought then. But men like us do not have wings. Such dreams are for the birds.